Good morning everyone. Good morning guys. Jesus, salvame. Today is
Palm Sunday.
a blessed Sunday to each and everyone. To all the viewers, followers and friends. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you these 4 basic essential techniques on how to manipulate people when you are interacting with them. Okay, this is very simple, but it is also very useful and effective. Okay, without further ado, let's proceed to this technique. Okay, technique number 1. Listen. Okay? You must be listen carefully and attentively. Okay? You must be fully open when they are speaking and telling something to you. Okay? You can use positive body language by nodding, smiling, okay? Or maybe you can answer them by saying yes, okay, something like that, para maramdaman nila na interesado ka sa sinasabi nila. That is the main objective, no? Without any hesitation, without interrupting them, na masabi nila lahat ng nararamdaman nila. Okay? So that is an art of listening. Okay? Technique number 2. You should have empathy. Okay? You need to dig deep into his or her feelings. Okay? You need to go into his or her main emotional insight, or what should I say is, you need to put your feet on their shoes, no? Mafe-feel nila yon na nararamdaman mo yung nararamdaman nila. Okay? That is very effective, no? When you do that, when you have an art of empathy. Okay? Kapag nagawa mo na yon, when you do already those technique number 1 and 2, the number 3 and number 4 mas madali na lang sa'yo. Okay? Okay, technique number 3. Act. Okay? Act with kindness or positive action. Okay, last technique, the number 4 technique is do something. Resolve his or her problem immediately if you can. Okay? That is the very basic essential techniques on how to manipulate or to read the mind or behavior of a person when you are interacting with them. Okay? I call this technique as lead technique. Okay? Listen, empathy, act, and do something. Okay? That's all for today's video. Please like, share, comment, and follow for more. Thank you.